gente, tudo bem? Adriele aqui, sua professora de português. And today I have a sentence for you that I'm going to teach and then you can use it in a very special event here in Brazil. So I want to ask you first, have you ever seen a t-shirt with this sentence, Rock in Rio, eu fui? So this sentence is very famous in Rock in Rio and people, Rock in Rio, it's supposed to be capital letter. And people normally have a t-shirt or a bottle or a cap or something else that showing this sentence, eu fui, which mean I went. So Rock in Rio, eu fui is I went to Rock in Rio, okay? So eu fui, it's a sentence with the verb ir conjugated in the past tense and in the first person singular, okay? So let's conjugate the verb because this is very important since we have the past tense of this verb here. So I first say eu fui, as we just saw. Then we have você foi, okay? And the next one is ele foi. We also have ela foi. And we also should conjugate a gente, that means also we, foi, okay? Then we have nós fomos, okay, that we went. Then we have vocês foram. And then eles foram e elas foram. Ok? So, eu fui, você foi, ele foi, ela foi, a gente foi, nós fomos, vocês foram, eles foram e elas foram. Ok? So now you can come to Rock in Rio in Brazil and wear a t-shirt saying Rock in Rio, eu fui, and you say, this means Rock in Rio, I went to it. Okay? So, let's practice it. Leave a comment for us saying if you have been to Rock in Rio once in your life and if you want to go. And then don't forget to click on the like button for us. Okay? Ciao, ciao.